In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Microsoft Excel file. If Excel closed unexpectedly, your computer restarted, or you accidentally closed a workbook without saving, don't panic. Excel and the storage services it integrates with provide a few reliable places to look for a previous or unsaved version. I'll walk you through them in a simple, clear order so you can get back to work fast. Start by opening the Excel app on your computer. Once Excel is open, head to the File menu, then choose Open. This takes you to the Recent area, which lists files you've worked on lately and also gives you access to Excel's built-in recovery options. On the Recent page, look toward the bottom for the button labeled Recover Unsaved Workbooks. Click it. Excel will show a special folder that holds temporary unsaved versions it captured while you were working. The file names may look generic, so pay attention to the timestamps to find the most recent one. Open the candidate file, verify the contents, and if it's the version you need, save it right away with a clear name and in a safe location so you don't lose it again. If you don't see what you need there, try the history option. In many setups, especially when your workbook is stored in a cloud location like OneDrive or SharePoint, Excel can display a version history. From there, you can browse earlier saves of the same file, open a version to compare the data, and pick the one that contains the information you're trying to recover. This is especially helpful if you saved changes, but later realized you needed to go back to a previous state. Another route is to restore a previous version directly from where the file is stored. Navigate to the folder that contains your workbook, then right-click the file or even the folder itself and select Restore Previous Versions. You'll see a list of available snapshots by date and time. Choose the snapshot that lines up with when your data was still intact. You can open it to confirm the contents before committing to the restore, which helps avoid overwriting a good copy with the wrong one. To wrap up, use Recover Unsaved Workbooks first for files that were never saved, check history for cloud-backed versioning, and use Restore Previous Versions when you want to roll a file back to an earlier snapshot. After you recover what you need, save a fresh copy and give it a descriptive name. That's it. Your data should be back and ready to go.